Good morning, guys. Good morning, garden. I bought a beautiful tree rose a few weeks ago, and now it is warm enough to plant it as we don't have any more snow or freezing temperatures. So this variety is from Italy. It is called Bianco Puro. It will have fragrant white flowers, and it is almost taller than me. So let's plant it. Okay, so all done. This looks really nice. So the branches on the top will create a round canopy with flowers. The bottom part will not have flowers, just a trunk, so the entire plant will look like a tree. And of course, as you can see behind the rose, there's my favorite neighbor, the horse. Hello neighbor, how you doing? Anyways, it has been a really productive morning today and I'm really happy with the progress I made. I am really grateful to have this weather to finally be able to finish this project. Thank you guys for joining me today and see you in the next one. Bye!